morning. It is Saturday. What's the date today, babe? July 27th? I think it's the 27th. Anyway, it is about 9:30 or so, and we slept for 12 hours. We were so tired. So we are gonna head down for some breakfast here at the hotel at the Hyatt, and then we are catching a shuttle at 11 over to the pier, and we will video some for you there and probably show you what we got for breakfast. All right, see you later. All right, we got eggs, potatoes, sausage, some grapes, pineapple, and some yogurt. Shannon got eggs, pancake, and some sausage, apple juice, orange juice, and this is our view for breakfast. All right, we are checked in, waiting to get on the boat. They're going A through the alphabet, and we are, let me see here, we are H, so it's going to be a minute. Look at all these people that are going with us. This is the waiting area to wait.
Where was that yesterday?
Where?
There's a marketplace right there.
Oh, over there? See if I can scroll in. I don't think I can scroll in on video. Maybe a little bit. Over there is, yeah, it is. That's where the oh yeah, I see the Ferris wheel now. That's where the marketplace was, over there. We are entering the ship. Here we go.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last.
She might be a little pushy.
Well, my son has a YouTube channel, so he instructed me I better video.
Well, you're done now.
Yeah, do not disappoint.
Oh, you just missed a whale over there.
See, I'm not the only one.
Yeah, I know.
That's Bigfoot. His cousin.
Yeah, we were hoping we'd see one of those while we were here.
You missed it. He's been right behind you.
In any gift shop, you'll see one.
8 navigation.
Thank you. Say hi. Okay, here we are at our room. So excited! Okay, what we got first? Closets. Oh, opens like that. Cool. Bathroom right here. Ooh, a tub, babe. I got a tub. That's super nice. Nice. TV. Well, that's cool. A little table with our couch. That's nice. And we got like a little table thing over here. And then the best part, our balcony. I can unlock it. Hang on, guys. Gotta be smarter than the door. How do you open the door, babe? Oh, duh. Gotta push it. Oh my gosh, I'm a dork. Jeez.
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later, got the door open. Oh, we got 2 nice chairs and a table. Alright, what do we got? Over here across from us is the Ruby Princess boat.
Such a view.
Yeah, Seattle.
Houses on the side of the road.
Zoom in. Okay guys, you gotta check out this fridge in our room. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's cool. And then what's over here? Blow dryer, wine glasses. That's cool.
Until the end of the cruise.
This is the first floor. Guest services over there. Very helpful people. It's like just like a sitting area. Jewelry shop thing. Let's not see where the shops and stuff are. They're not open right now, or some of them aren't.
T-shirts, sweatshirts.
Feel the daylight on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
enchiladas, guacamole, sour cream, and chips. Those mashed potatoes look good for some reason. Peanut butter pie, cheesecake. That red stuff is what? Spicy chicken, and then roast beef. Is that roast beef?
Yeah.
And a breadstick, and then he got enchiladas like I did. Now we're walking towards the front of the ship, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the pool where the roof closes. That's so cool. Princess boat is leaving. I thought we were moving, but we're not. They are. We're leaving. We're waving. Oh, look, there's a beautiful white bird. Bye, Seattle. Are you ready to see Alaska, babe?
Ready?
You excited?
Yeah. Glad we're on the move.
Yeah.
Check.
What?
Zoom in.
Oh, that's cool. Just singing us goodbye. This is the main stage that I didn't get earlier because the doors were closed. Oh, this is the balcony side, babe. All right, it is our first dinner, and we didn't get to go to the dining room because poor Shannon got motion sickness.
Yeah.
So surprised.
He's better now though, right, baby?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Bless his heart. So, we ordered room service, and we got, let's see what we got here. Some crackers and fruit and cheese. Chocolate chip cookies.
I can't wait to see what kind of update you make to your ceremony.
Some chicken noodle soup for him. I got a Cobb salad.
To be king.